Konnichiwa. The Japanese nakute mo ii desu form. To say what you needn't do, what you don't have to do. Formation, use the plain negative verb, for example, ikanai or kawanai. Replace the final nai with nakute to become ikanakute or kawanakute. Then complete by adding mo ii desu, you may. So, we can have ikanai, kawanai, tabenai, minai, shinai, a whole variety become nakute. So you don't have to go ikanakute mo ii desu. You don't have to buy kawanakute mo ii desu. You don't have to do it shinakute mo ii desu. Some examples. Must I buy a ticket? Kippu wo kawanakereba ikemasen ka? No, you don't have to buy a ticket. Ie, kippu wo kawanakute mo ii desu. Or to a visitor to New Zealand. Because there are many coffee shops, you don't have to take your own packed lunch. Kisaten wa takusan aru no de, jibun no obento o motte ikanakute mo ii desu. In New Zealand, you don't have to bow. ニュージーランドではお辞儀をしなくてもいいです。Right. So, very easy form to use in your speeches. なくてもいい。さよなら。